In this video, we will learn how to use our French in transactional situations. What I mean by that is when we are perhaps communicating to someone to try and buy something or get something in a shop or at a market or in a restaurant or in a cafe in France. What we'll do is we will look at how we might ask for a thing, or to ask for the thing, or to ask for some things, or maybe even quantities of things, such as a bottle of something, or a tin of something, a litre of something, a kilo of something. In order to do this, this means that we will need to revise our use of the indefinite article, the definite article, and the partitive article, which of course means that we really need to be aware of the gender of the nouns that we are using. So we need to be completely alive to whether nouns are masculine or feminine. We will also need to be very careful to check where nouns are plural or where they begin with a vowel or an H, because as we know in French, we need to be very aware of that situation, because if we don't do the right thing, the language won't flow. We know that French has to flow. Now, we've talked about lots of these things before, but it is always worth refreshing our memories about how it all works. So we're going to start with the indefinite article, and the equivalent of the indefinite article in English are the words a, an, or one. For example, a pizza, an apple, or one pen. In French, we use un for masculine nouns, and we use une for feminine nouns. What we'll do now is look at some examples with the indefinite article in front of you, some nouns with their indefinite article. So, for example, what you can do is, as you see them, you could perhaps say whether you think they're masculine or feminine based upon the indefinite article. And what you'll have is a picture, and the words will come up on the screen too. Let's go. First one. Une limonade. Une limonade. So is that masculine or feminine? Say your answer now. That's right, it's feminine. Une. Let's look at the next one. Un coca. Un coca. Is it masculine or feminine? It's masculine. Un coca. Let's look at the next one. Un sandwich. Un sandwich. That's right, masculine. Un ananas. Un ananas. Masculine. Un billet de train. Un billet de train. Masculine. Une carte postale. Une carte postale. Feminine. Un timbre. Un timbre. Masculine. Un stylo. Un stylo. Masculine. Une pizza. Une pizza. Feminine. Une règle. Une règle. Feminine again. Now, what we'll show at the end of the video as well is a little section that will be able to help you be able to use an online dictionary such as word reference, because the key thing is whenever we're looking up a noun is we do look at those genders. And if we know our indefinite articles for a, an, or one, un, or une, then it really helps us to be able to remember the gender of nouns. Now, of course, you can very simply change the number, because une and un are also one. You can just change the number to ask for a different quantity of things. So, for example, we had une limonade, a lemonade, or one lemonade. Just by changing the number, we could have two lemonades. Why not say now what you think that would be? Deux limonades. Deux limonades. It would be the answer there. Try this one. Three sandwiches. Trois sandwiches. Trois sandwiches. And one last one. 5 pens. 5 stylos. 5 stylos. So Just as with the indefinite article un or une, if we put numbers in front, then we can ask for numerical quantities of things. So really important when we're in shops or when we're in cafes and things like that, we might say je voudrais or avez-vous or est-ce que je peux avoir, and then ask for can I have a something. So we're going to try a few of those sentences now. So the French for I would like a lemonade would be je voudrais une limonade. Je voudrais une limonade. You might ask someone if they have a pen. Avez-vous un stylo? Avez-vous un stylo? Note, as I ask the question there, my voice goes up at the end just to give that sense of questioning. Avez-vous un stylo? Do you have a ruler? Avez-vous une règle? Now you might want to ask someone if you could have something. Est-ce que je peux avoir? So for example, can I have a pizza? Est-ce que je peux avoir une pizza? Est-ce que je peux avoir une pizza? See if you can ask, can I have a sandwich? Est-ce que je peux avoir un sandwich? Est-ce que je peux avoir un sandwich? So that concludes our section on the indefinite article a, an, or one. And so we say un in front of masculine nouns and une in front of feminine nouns, just like je voudrais une limonade, I would like a lemonade. Je voudrais un coca, I would like a coke. Avez-vous un timbre? Do you have a stamp? Est-ce que je peux avoir une règle? Can I have a ruler? So really useful to know the indefinite article when you want a, one, or an of something.